In this video you will learn how to use your Link-Dtech conjugation kit.
The kit comes in a box containing the coupling buffer, the dilution buffer and Link-Dtech nanoparticles. Before starting, ensure that the protein or antibody of interest is purified according to the protocol provided. Sonicate the Link-Dtech tube for 5 minutes at room temperature. After sonication, prepare the antibody Link-Dtech conjugation in a low binding tube by diluting the desired volume of Link-Dtech in coupling buffer. Quickly vortex before adding the desired volume of purified antibody. It is important to add the components in this order. Incubate overnight at 4 degrees on a rotating shaker. The next day, quickly check under UV light whether the fluorescence is homogeneous. Then centrifuge the tube at 10,000 RCF for 30 minutes between 4 and 10 degrees. After centrifugation, a fluorescent pellet should be observed under UV light. Carefully remove the supernatant containing possible unconjugated antibodies. Resuspend the pellet with coupling buffer to the desired concentration. Sonicate to fully resuspend the conjugate. And quickly check under UV light whether the fluorescence is homogeneous. To prepare the working solution, resuspend the Link-Dtech conjugated to antibodies by mixing the tube. In a glass tube, dilute the Link-Dtech conjugated to antibodies in the dilution buffer at the desired concentration. Close the tube tightly and sonicate between 4 and 15 degrees for 5 minutes. Now your Link-Dtech conjugated to antibodies is ready to use.